All right, here is our newest platform. Can you believe that? 4 new platforms in 2 days. Incredible. But here is the newest one. This is what I call a legacy platform. This is what I also call my Cloudfi replacer. And you'll see why in a moment. But of course, before we get into all that, I always got to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. I do need to add that I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always, always, always do your own due diligence. With that being said, let's go ahead and look at the platform. So let's get to it and do it. All right, now let's go to the Telegram group where, of course, I always give my people the newest and latest updated information first right there. So if you want to be part of the Telegram, if you want to be in the know, forget about being part of the Telegram group. If you want to be in the know, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video and then get the information first about any new platforms, updates on platforms, when they stop paying and all that good stuff. All right, so let's look at the 30,000 view foot of Trinity AI. We're going to go through in the details on the platform itself, but here is just like the high level view. The minimum deposit is $10. It is instant payment, and the minimum withdrawal is $3. So those are kind of the high level reviews. So now we want to go ahead and go to the platform. All right, here we are at Trinity AI. It says AI empower your finances, ultra fast computational abilities. All right, so we never judge a book by its cover, but I gotta say this is one of the nicest looking platforms that I've seen in quite some time. And so let's go ahead, and it's been going around for 14 days, has 360 members in that time. So it's still really early in the game, especially for legacy type platforms like this. And so let's look at the 2 plans. So the Trinity plan, Trinity AI, Trinity plan, 1.25% to 4% daily for 30 days. So it varies, right? So it varies between 1.25 to 4. I'm okay with either one of those. That's nice for daily for 30 days. Now, the minimum deposit, one of the things I really like about this platform is you can get in at this low level of $30 to $30,000. Of course, your principal is going to be returned after that time. Withdrawals are instant and your accrual date. And the Monday through Friday, you're going to get the 1.25, between 1.25 and 4% Monday through Friday, no weekends. So that is the Trinity plan. All right, next up is the trial plan, 0.8% daily for 5 days. So if you just want to tip your toes in the water, you can get started with this one. $10 to $1,000 accruals daily, and this is Monday through Friday as well. So if, like I said, if you got started on a Wednesday, you still wouldn't get paid on the weekend. So the 5 calendar days will be at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Monday and Tuesday. So that's how that will run. So those are the plans. Alrighty, so here we are, the dashboard, nice clean dashboard, really like it. Just you can see where everything is. Really nice dashboard. Anyway, so when you get ready to make a deposit into this platform, what you want to do, you want to go here, click on deposit. And now, and great, this has 2-factor 2FA. Make sure that you engage that. I will be doing so immediately after this video. So you go there and you pick your plan, and you can spend from either the account balance of the processor. As of right now, don't have anything on the account. And here are the coins that you can use: Bitcoin, Tron, Tether TRC20, and Tether BEP20. So I'm going to use that one. Investing $100 into this legacy platform. And of course, from here, you want to make sure that everything looks correct. You have your, the amount that you want, the amount of days. I'm sure that's just kind of a balance, but maybe that's what I get, 2%, 0.02% daily today. I'm okay with that. Press return, yes, everything looks good. Now I'm gonna get this wallet here. All right, here we are. It took about, I would say, about 5 minutes, and the deposit was active. So this platform really is quick. All right, here we are at the F, the A's, and the Q's. And as I say, always make sure that you check out the FAQs, because there may be something here that you want to see that I didn't cover. And so I definitely encourage you to check out the FAQs. So we're not going to go through all of these, I promise you. But there are some that I read through, and I really want to, let you know about them. Okay, here's the one. Here's some that I really want you to know about. How frequently am I allowed to withdraw my funds? Now, this seems logical, but I know a lot of people would probably not think about this and be upset when they didn't get the money when they thought they should. But here, we're going to go here. It says at Trinity AI, we prioritize providing our users with flexibility and swift access to their funds. You can initiate a withdrawal instantly at any time, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. UTC, close Friday, 8 p.m. UTC. Make sure you go on Google and find out what that is in your area. Thanks to our fully automated payment gateway, your funds will be processed and received in a matter of seconds. We've streamlined our process to ensure your quick and hassle-free access to your earnings whenever you desire. All right, we talked about this in the Telegram group, but I did want to show it to you here as well. Just in case you haven't joined my Telegram group yet, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video and join the Telegram group, because if you had, you'd already know this. But if you haven't, hey, it says the allowable deposit range from $10 to $30,000. You know that. For withdrawal, the threshold is set at a minimum of $3 with an upper limit of $30,000. So the most, hey, hopefully you'll have that issue. The most you can withdraw, and I don't know if that's per day or period. I would believe it's per day, or at least per transaction. But just check with their support to get that information. But it's $30,000. So hopefully that's a good problem to have, that you have to even know that. Now, here's something that's unique about Trinity AI that you don't see on a lot of other plans. It says, am I able to request an early return on my capital? Yes. At Trinity AI, we offer the option to request an early return on your capital. However, there are specific steps and considerations. So here are the steps. Support ticket. To initiate the process, you'll need to submit a support ticket detailing your request. Halt on rewards. Once the request is made, any ongoing rewards or returns associated with that capital will be paused, which makes sense. It says fees. An early capital return comes with a fee of 15%. So if you can get it back out, but just understand you're going to be charged 15%. The fee is deducted from the capital amount being returned. Processing time. After the request is approved, it will take approximately 5 to 7 working days for the capital to be returned to your account. Since our system is designed to be flexible, but we advise investors to be fully aware of the associated terms before making such requests. So what they're saying is, we're flexible. You can get the money back, but understand it's going to be a 15% fee deducted, and it's going to be 5 to 7 business days. But that is a nice feature, as long as it works. You know how that is, but as long as it works, that is a nice option that in an emergency, you're able to get your money back out. All right, that is Trinity AI. Let's go over that one more time. The trial plan, let's go from the smallest to the largest. The trial plan is 0.08% daily for 5 days, $10 to $1,000 on that one. And the Trinity plan, 1.25% to 4% daily for 30 days. That's $30 to $30,000. Remember, that's Monday through Friday. So if you want to be part of what I call my Cloudfi replacer, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video, and make sure to watch this next video, as you can see all the drama that's going on with AAS.